want him to get on the chair with the boys again.
I love this level.
I don't know what keeps that poor bear together.
Oh, he's gonna hit himself on the head.
I'm just ignoring them.
I want him to get up there like he was with the kids. Oh, here he goes. Oh. Oh, he's content now.
Mm-hmm.